In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add advanced decline line indicators on TradingView Pro, quick and easy. This is going to be a short, practical walkthrough so you can follow along on your own chart and have this powerful market breadth indicator set up in just a few minutes. First, open up your TradingView chart and make sure you're on the layout where you typically analyze your markets. Once you're there, look toward the top of the screen for the Indicators button. It usually sits above your price chart, near the toolbar where you change timeframes and chart types. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This is where all of TradingView's built-in tools and custom scripts live. When the Indicators window opens, you'll see several categories. To narrow things down, click on the Technical section. This filters the list to standard technical indicators and makes it easier to find what we're looking for, instead of scrolling through everything. Now that you're in the technical area, move over to the search bar or the list of available indicators. This is where you'll locate the specific tool you want to add. Type in Advanced Decline Line, if there's a search box, or scroll through until you see it in the indicator list. Take a moment here to make sure you're selecting the official version provided by TradingView or by a reputable source, especially if you see multiple similar names. Once you've found it, click on Advanced Decline Line. As soon as you select it, TradingView will automatically apply the indicator to your chart. You should see a new pane appear, usually below your price chart, showing the line that represents the difference between advancing and declining instruments. From here, you can customize it if you like. For example, you can adjust colors, line thickness, or visibility settings by opening the Indicators settings menu. While customization is optional, making the line stand out clearly can help you read it faster during live market conditions. Finally, if you're not using TradingView Pro yet and you want access to more tools, better data, and a smoother experience, use the link in my description to sign up. It's a straightforward process, and starting with the right platform level will make working with advanced indicators like the Advanced Decline Line much more effective. That's all you need to do. Follow these simple steps and you'll have the Advanced Decline Line indicator ready to go on your TradingView Pro charts.